G'day viewers, here we are. I'm going to give you a look at some apartments that I have looked at just recently. I did lose all the audio, so now I have to voice over all this, so hope you don't mind. This apartment we have sort of looks familiar. It's very nice, well done, 2-bedroom. Yes, does this look familiar? It certainly does to me. And yeah, it's very well appointed, very well looked after. Nice little, it's only a small TV, but as I said, 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom is pretty good size. You could actually escape there from everybody and just sit back, relax. And well appointed, as I said. Bathroom looks really good. As you can see the size, it is a really good size there with a desk there, which I don't like the mirror if I'm going to be working at the desk. Quite well appointed. As you can see, plenty of room in the main bedroom, master bedroom, whatever, and very well, nice and clean, kept clean. Love it all. Gotta love those style toilets. Love it. It's very good. Sort of rushing through here. We're a bit behind a lot. Narrow down the hallway there into the second bedroom. A bit smaller. And still very, very good. I'll tell you where that is a little bit later. I liked it. And the only thing I didn't really like was the hard beds. That's what you find a lot of. Yes, Chan and I were talking about this a fair bit, because we did notice that a fair bit in some of the places we went to. It had concrete beds, and I didn't like that one. But if you look at the style of the apartment itself, you will recognise it. So this is a good one. Very well. And we're discussing a few little things here and there. So it's not too bad. I quite liked it. Narrow, very long, 2 nice bedrooms, very good master bedroom. But as you can see, the price there. Now let's take a look at a local Khmer style residence. No elevator. And now we walk upstairs. And as you can see, everybody walks past. And you walk up. No elevator in this one. We were on the second floor or third floor. You're going through there. The downside with this one, there is no furniture whatsoever in it. And you can also see, as I said, Khmer style. Very high ceilings, very open. There was someone in there, so we got to see that loungy room. Again, no furniture. And as you can see, the Khmer style there. That is just where we walked past was the bedroom. That door there. This one is the bathroom. Nice and clean though, got to admit. But very, very empty for the price. High ceilings, no air conditioning. The other side to it was that the water and electricity was very expensive in this one. So for $300, well, I sort of spoiled it there. So for the price they're asking you, I think was a bit high for what you actually got. So, and then you had to access through a lock gate and then walk upstairs. This being on the second floor really, second floor. So 300 US, 450 Australian, 237 Great British pounds. And this one, pretty good. I was quite impressed with this one. Very open, 2 large bedrooms, very well appointed, clean, and spacious. I absolutely like this a fair bit. I was very, very leaning, but there were 2 things that sort of didn't sway. The electricity price was pretty much like on average to a lot of other places. You can see there's the first little one, if you can twig what I'm talking about, and the reason what I didn't like. But overall, it was still pretty good. As I said, 2 bedrooms, 2 big sized bedrooms, Surprise, surprise. Very, very well. I like this one. This actually, it'll come up. It will be my favourite. So, very well. Both bedrooms, very well appointed. Very large lounge room. Look at that balcony. I didn't actually go up on a balcony. And as you can see, a rather large dining loungy area. And a nice balcony. I would have loved it. There's another clue as to why, but the electricity and the water always seems to be pretty good, considering electricity is dear in Cambodia. And here you see the second bedroom, pretty much the same, very big, and yep, as you can see, my favourite. I liked it. Bit of a clue again as to why we didn't get it, but it was rather good. Both bathrooms are really good, 2 bedrooms. All the girls would have loved being there, plus got a huge lounge room. Would have been really excellent. And well appointed little kitchen. Everything's fully furnished, with the exception of the Khmer style one, previous one. And that was the downside with that one. If you could deal with it and had your own furniture, great. If you just want to move in, start living with the bare minimum, yeah, pretty good. Depends also on your budget. I was a bit tight on the budget, but I did like this one. I really did. As for a 2-bedroom, that was. So, big discussions. Guy was pretty good. All serviced once a week, this one. Washing machine, 600 US, 900 Australian, and 475 GBP. So there's a look at 3 more apartments. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more from Maddo's Adventures. Till the next one, catch ya!